Hello, and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to properly replace the battery in an Ajax MotionProtect motion sensor. Before you begin, make sure you have a compatible replacement battery and a suitable screwdriver for removing the screws. First, remove the sensor from its mounting bracket. Carefully detach the device from the mounting panel to gain access to the rear side of the sensor. Once the device has been removed, you will see 3 screws securing the battery compartment cover. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove all 3 screws and place them somewhere safe to avoid losing them. Next, gently remove the cover. This will provide access to the battery installed inside the device. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation. It is very important to remember the battery polarity and the position of the positive and negative terminals. If necessary, take a photo for reference before proceeding. Now remove the old battery and install the new one, making sure it is inserted with the correct polarity. Check that the battery is seated properly in the contacts and securely positioned. After replacing the battery, reinstall the cover. Make sure it fits correctly and sits flush with the device housing. Next, tighten the 3 screws that were removed earlier. Avoid over-tightening them, as excessive force may damage the plastic housing. Once the cover is securely attached, reinstall the sensor onto its mounting bracket and make sure it is properly locked into place. After completing the replacement, it is recommended to check the device status in the Ajax application and verify that the sensor is operating correctly. The battery replacement process is now complete. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful and informative.